The emergence of the thrive on plants concept can be traced back to early agricultural societies, where reliance on plant cultivation and food production was central to their survival. Ancient farmers in Mesopotamia, the Nile Valley, and the Indus Valley began to develop farming techniques around 8000 BCE, leading to the domestication of plants and the establishment of the first agricultural communities. The emergence of agriculture marked a significant shift from nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyles, as it allowed populations to settle and form larger settlements. This concept emerged due to several factors, including the availability of fertile land and water resources, the domestication of plants to cultivate food, and the development of tools and technologies to aid in farming. Key developments include the Neolithic Revolution, where a shift from hunter-gatherer to agricultural lifestyles occurred around 10,000 BCE, and the specialization of crops, with the development of crops such as wheat, barley, and rice, around 10,000 to 8,000 BCE. These changes led to population growth, the development of social structures, and the emergence of early civilizations. The thrive on plants concept had a significant impact on societies, economies, and industries, as it facilitated the growth of cities, the development of trade networks, and the specialization of professions. For instance, the development of the Silk Road in the 2nd century BCE connected China with the Mediterranean, promoting the exchange of goods, ideas, and technologies. Additionally, the concept of thrive on plants led to the rise of monastic and religious institutions, as well as the establishment of universities and the printing press in the 15th century, which revolutionized knowledge dissemination and the spread of ideas. The thrive on plants concept has also had measurable impacts on societies, economies, and industries. For example, the global agricultural industry, which includes food production, agriculture, and related services, generated a value of approximately $1 trillion in 2018, representing about 10.4% of global GDP. However, the thrive on plants concept has also brought about drawbacks, such as the loss of biodiversity and the environmental degradation caused by intensive farming practices. In terms of long-term effects, the thrive on plants concept has contributed to the sustainability of human societies by ensuring a steady supply of food and other resources. But it has also led to the intensification of agriculture, which has resulted in environmental issues such as deforestation, soil erosion, and water scarcity. Future projections suggest that the global agricultural industry is expected to continue to grow at an annual rate of 1.9% from 2020 to 2050, leading to increased demand for plant-based products and advancements in sustainable farming practices. In the face of future challenges, AI-informed optimization and improvement strategies, such as the use of precision agriculture technologies and the development of genetically modified crops, will be essential to ensure the sustainability and resilience of the thrive on plants concept.